They in the cut. They watching. All these goofies, they out. I could have killed them all. Stop playing with me.
Yeah, he said, cuz, there's 20 out here for you, cuz.
What's
going on?
I could have killed them all. They all was dead. That's why I'm mama. So I got California surrounded in California on Great Street on Pyru. That's why I'm mama. The Pyrus for me, they love me. Listen, let me tell you why they love me, right? I'm like Malcolm X. I'm like Dr. Martin Luther King. The only thing is I'm not controlled. I come to say to people, gang, they're not gonna kill me. Listen, I can die if they kill me, right? But the day a Blood, a Crip, a GD, Vice Lord folk are insane on Pappy. Did they one of them gangs kill me, gang? The wrath of God gonna come on the world. That's what I'm on. I'm God, gang.
Let's rewind a little bit. What happened during the podcast?
Come on, you gotta see it.
I seen it.
Right, what happened? They tried to line me up.
No. When Wack called in.
Wack called in and said, I'm gonna die in California. He said, St. Louis, you're gonna die in California. That's it. That's all I heard. After that, antennas, let's go.
Like, he basically said we weren't welcome. Right?
We weren't welcome. And I asked this, California, y'all don't love me? I love California, gang.
Hey, we
Come on, gang, stop playing on me.
I love In and Out.
Come on, gang, I love California. So if California don't love me because of these goofies, well, California too then. Stop playing on me. But if California love me, I love California. I'm from St. Louis, gang. We ain't ducking. And I'm in California still? And I'm here? Yeah, I'm here right here with you.